Stock number 40475Y. It's a 2016 Audi S3. It's got carbon fiber front fenders on both sides. Grill's good, front bumper's good, hood's good. It's got aftermarket cool air intake. It's got a little scuff right there. Not sure. Could be from the wheel protector. Carbon fiber front fender. Good condition. It's got a little scuff down here. Little scuff and scratches on the sides. APR rims. Passenger door's no good, damaged. Rear view mirror's damaged. Passenger back door's damaged, no good. Passenger quarter panel's got a dent right on the seam, so it probably can't be saved. The tire sizes are 225, 40, R18s. It's got aftermarket tail lights. Quarter panel driver's side's good. Driver's side back door's good. Driver's side door's good. Driver's side rear view mirror's broken. Carbon fiber front fender. It does have a key. It does not start. It's got paddle shifters on the steering wheel. There's a glove box. It has a sunroof. Passenger side visor. Driver's side visor. Interior is in good condition. Again, it's stock number 40475Y. It's a 2016 Audi S3. It does have a key, it does not start.